Meet Dan. Dan was looking for a moving company, but struggling to find one online for his upcoming move. Fortunately for Dan, a friend told him about an exciting new app called Move Us. Move Us is a user-friendly app that was specifically engineered to bring all moving companies together in one app. The app eases the hassles and stress of finding a moving service that best meets your standards, needs, and expectations. To use the app, users simply download and sign up for the app. From there, users can begin to search the app for movers based on the company's name, location, or proximity and availability. The app also allows users to save favorited moving companies for quick and easy access for future moving jobs. Once a user finds a company that meets their needs, they can tap the company's name to view their profile and see their rates, availability, and contact information. From there, users can book and pay the moving company through the app. Users can also rate and review companies they've worked with through the app. This will help users find the best company for them based on past ratings and reviews. Are you a moving company looking for increased visibility? Simply download and register your moving company in the Move Us app. Create a business profile to show your rates, availability, location, and contact information. Another awesome feature of the app is the shipment status. Users can track the moving company's status through the app. What are you waiting for? Download the Move Us app to get moving today.